Croeso cynnes I Teledu'r Tele. Shwmae I chi gyd. Warm welcome to you all to Teledu'r Tele. Today, in this video, we're going to show you how to sign into your Hub account. So the best way to do that is to use a search engine like this, put the school's name into the search engine and follow the link to our website. On reaching our website, you'll see a button here that says Mewn Gofnodi Hub Login to Hub. Click on that, and then it gives you access to the Hub platform. Here, there's a button to log in. Every individual has had their login details, so mine are in already, but we'll type them in. Okay, then you'll need your password, which mine's in already. Then it's sign in. Once you've signed in, you've got access to many things. One of those being free access to Office 365, which contains Word, Excel, etc. Foundation phase would be using the Just Too Easy platform or section of Hub, but the Key Stage 2 children will be moving on to using some elements of Office 365. So we'll click on Just Too Easy, and you've reached our destination. So J2 launch, and here in my next videos you'll see how to access different parts of J2 launch. Hope you've enjoyed, hope it's been useful. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.